Isn't she or he? Is this a rooster? Oh, I'm so confused. Hey everybody, how are you? And I am here with a haul from Hobby Lobby. And a lot of what I had to get there was for my Christmas in July. So I thought I would show you because those are going to be coming up soon. So it'll make sense when you see this stuff. And then a couple other things that I wasn't planning to buy, but I saw it and, you know, why not? And so when I get paid from YouTube, which is very little, trust me when I say that, very little, I always put it back into my YouTube channel because the money I make from Hobby Lobby, as you all know, for the last almost year now, that money's been going to Bella's food because her food is so expensive being a diabetic now, because I only work 2 days a week at Hobby Lobby, so, you know, I don't make much. So what I do is, like I said, I use my YouTube money to put anything that I buy to show you guys a new DIY or whatever the case may be. That's what it goes to. Somebody might be wondering, you know, what do you do with that? And believe me, like I said, it's not much. Anyway, I digress. Why do I do that? Well, let's get started. First thing, I got, oh, and all of this was on sale, except for one thing, maybe two things, and I'll tell you when I show you. Anyway, all of the stickers are on sale right now for 40% off. So I'm going to be using some of these words on DIY that I'm going to be doing, again, for Christmas in July. All right. Then I got, and the paper's on sale right now. Not the big ones, but the little ones are for $1. But I got this paper, and this paper is so, to me it's Victorian looking, and it could go farmhouse, it could go Victorian, shabby chic. I love it. But for what I'm using this for, in this DIY coming up that you're going to love and you're going to be able to do, and it's extremely inexpensive. As a matter of fact, it's almost free. So be ready for that one. I got this paper along with some other paper I already had, knowing I had this particular other paper that I've had for a couple of years now. This is going to go perfect. Okay. Then I got these two, and this is also for a DIY for Christmas, which I think you're going to love. And again, you can make this for virtually nothing, just some scrapbook paper, a little bit of trim, and you'll be on your way. Stay tuned for that one, okay? Then while I was there, I saw these two, and I'm going to be doing something with these papers and a couple other for fall. So I got those two. So that is the extent of my papers and stickers, but it's all going to come together, and I think you're really going to like it. Then, well, I'll show you this first. All of their spring is 75% off. And I bought one of these because I'm still going to be using the buffalo check for Christmas. And this will go in my kitchen. And I have a couple different things I want to use for this. I might go back when I go back to work, and it probably won't even be there because I think there was one left. I mean, everything was going very fast as far as this stuff, and I think they're thinking the same thing because the buffalo check, knowing that Christmas, because the Christmas stuff that's coming out, a lot of the buffalo check, and for Thanksgiving, a lot of it is very popular again this year. So if they do have it, great. If they don't, it's not a big deal. But if they do have another one, I will get it, so I have two of them. Okay, all that to say, I got this. And it was just a couple dollars. And it's just galvanized tighten those up a little bit. But anyway, just a couple dollars is all it was. Then into the fabric, I had this same kind from last year, but I need more of it because I am doing a few things as far as DIYs that I'm going to be sharing, and I needed more of it, so I got that. I also, this is new this year, I bought this. This was not on sale, and I bought just a very little bit because I don't need a lot, but it's going to go perfectly with what I'm doing for my Christmas decorating. And then I got some of this also because my kitchen, my dining room, and the family room and family room is all going to be in this same type of decor. Then I bought this because I'm going to do a snowman out of this. Now, this is not, what I'm going to show you next is not Christmas, but look at this beam material. This is different than the other one, and this is very antique-y looking. It's a very, very, very pale yellow. I mean extremely pale, almost ivory. And then the little bumblebees. Okay, so I got that. And for my sweet treats, I bought some of this material, and I'm going to be making something out of this to go with the faux desserts, and you'll see that. I'll bring you along as I make it, and then you'll see it when it's all put up together for my display. Bought some more of this piping because I'll be using that to make some of this stuff. And then I bought this remnant, and it's really pretty. This is also going to go, I believe, with my sweet treats. And then I think I'm going to take a portion of it and I'm going to cover a frame and make a padded frame out of this. I really, really like this. So that was my material, okay? And I didn't need a lot, and everything was on sale except for that Christmas. Then they had these in the clearance, and they're bracelets. And these were normally $27.99. And I had been eyeing these for quite some time, at least 4 months. And I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get it. And then this one I eyed since last year, and it went down to $3.59, $24.99 down to $14.99 to $3.59. That was the last one they had. And it just kept sticking around in the clearance wall, so I finally got it. And then they had Mod Podge for $1.99, normally $7.99 on clearance. I always use that. And then seed beads for my snowman that I'm going to be sharing and making with you guys. And this is the only thing that wasn't on sale. And this is 4 wood rounds for $2.99. And I'm going to be using this on something that I bought, so I'll show you how I put that together. Last but not least, look at this. All our chickens are almost gone. I paid $4. So that will probably do it for my chickens as far as buying them. But isn't she, or he, is this a rooster? Oh, I'm so confused. But anyway, I love it. That is my haul. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon.